Hey everyone, this is Tracy for Babe on the Budget. This is a Target haul. I went to 2 different Targets. So I'm just gonna combine everything. So everything, okay, let's start with the bananas. The bananas are 24 cents. We had a not cartwheel. The mobile coupon, $1 off of any fresh fruit. So I got 5 of them, made them 20 cents, 5 cents a banana. These are the Olay gift sets. They are $4.98. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And inside they had $4 Venus razors, so that I paid 98 cents for each one. The white outlet's on sale for 77 cents. 77 cents. He had dollar coupons, gave the overage of 23 cents. The reach is 92 cents. One Target, she said, oh, I have to put in 92. That's okay, still was getting it free. But the second Target, I got overage. The Colgate toothbrush was 94 cents. We had a mobile coupon, 94 cents. I used a 50 cent coupon, so I got 50 cent overage for that. So that was just 90 cents. The Glade starter kits are $2.99. We had $3 coupons, made them free with a little overage, penny overage. The 10-up pads, we had a cartwheel app, and I had a $7 up to $7 coupon and a $5. So the first Target I went to, I used the one that up to $7, so I got the max. Got these for the second one with my overage. So other one I used the $5 one in the back. So out of total for everything, $6.40. 2 stores I just had to pay. This is the first Target I just had to pay $1.12. That was tax. Second store, just had to pay tax. Since I had 4 coupons, you know, Target only allowed 4 coupons, so I had to do a separate transaction, and I used the 10 for that. So total $1.95, $2.85. That's not bad. For all this, for $6.40, the gift sets alone. So if you see the gift sets, it's like the coupons are in here. Pull it out. So this was the razor. You had the $1 off Olay, CoverGirl, Secret, $1 off of 2 Pantene, $1 off of 2 Ivory, and Clairol. This is Tracy for Babe on the Budget. Bye.